Hi, hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you about derivation of angle between two regression lines. Okay, so this may not be important for theoretical, but when you are going to do some problems, so this formula is very important. Okay, so today I am going to tell you about this one. Okay, derivation of angle between two regression lines. Okay, so proof. Okay, so we know that regression lines equation we know. So first we'll write that one. Okay, so we know that the two regression lines are, first one, y on x I am going to write. So y on x equation is y minus y bar equals to byx into x minus x bar. So now I am going to substitute the regression coefficient formula. Byx regression coefficient formula we all know. That is nothing but byx equals to r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Okay, in place of this I am going to substitute this. Okay, so y minus y bar equals to r into, r in the sense what? Correlation coefficient. R into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x into x minus x bar. Okay, so this is equation 1 we are going to assume. Okay, this is equation 1. So similarly we can write what? X on y. Okay, so x on y equation is, directly I am going to write in this way. So x minus x bar equals to r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. Okay, so this is equation 2. Okay, now from equation 1 and 2, the slopes are, what are the slopes here? M1, first equation 1 we are going to think this is M1. So M1 equals to R into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. So next is M2. From equation 2, M2 equals to R into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. Okay, na? So how we can know what is slope in the sense? See, this is in straight line equations we know, no? So y minus y bar equals to m into x minus x bar. So these equations are in this format. So that's why we are thinking these two are slopes. Okay, na? So I think now you got it. Okay, na? So these are in place of m, no? So that's why these are the slopes. Okay, so next is, therefore the angle between two lines are, so the angle between two lines, it is given by tan theta. This is formula, ma. Tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. I think this formula you may come across in your inter second year, I think so. Okay, so tan theta equals to, this is a formula for to find angle between two lines. Okay, so tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So now I am going to substitute these two values in this formula. Okay, so what is m1? R into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x minus, what is m2? R into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. Okay, so whole by so 1 plus again m1. What is m1? R into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x into, what is m2? Again r into standard deviation of x by standard deviation of y. Okay, so now we have to solve this one. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to solve this one. Okay, so r into observe clearly, standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Okay, minus 1 by r I am going to write. 1 by r. 1 by r in the sense these two places will be interchange. Okay, so standard deviation of y will come in numerator, standard deviation of x will come in denominator. Okay, so why? Because I have written, instead of r I have written 1 by r. That's why these two places will be exchanging. Okay, so standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Okay, so whole by, next what is there? 1 plus r into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x into, again I am going to write, instead of r I am going to write what? 1 by r. Okay, so 1 by r into, these two places will be exchanging. Okay, so standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. So now we have to see whether anything will be cancelled. Okay, so if you see here, r will be cancelled. Okay, so that equals to, in these two terms if you observe, standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x is same. So that's why I am taking common it. Okay, this term I am taking as common. So standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. If we take common, what are the remaining terms here? Term what? R. Minus, here the remaining term is 1 by r. Okay, in the same way, what we'll write here? 1 plus standard deviation of y into standard deviation of y. So what we'll get? Variance of y. That means square we'll get. No, square is nothing but variance. No, so by, here also standard deviation of x into standard deviation of x is nothing but variance we'll get. Okay, na, variance of x. Okay, so after that we'll simplify this one. Standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x into, here LCM I am going to take. So r square minus 1 by, what will get? R by, so this one also LCM process. So variance of x plus variance of y by, so what will get? Variance of x. So now we have to cancel. We have to see whether any terms will be cancelled. Yes, here one x term and here one x term will be cancelled. Okay. So now, so the remaining terms we will write standard deviation of y, and this term we are going to take this one as numerator. It is in denominator. Now we are moving to numerator place. So here only one term is remaining. So standard deviation of x, okay, into r square minus 1 by r by variance of x plus variance of y. Okay. So here what tan theta is there, no? So now we want to find out the angle. Angle in the sense we want in LCH place, left hand side we want only theta. So that's why I am keeping here theta, and I am going to transfer this tan to LHS to RHS. So what I will get is tan inverse I will get. So tan inverse of standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y into r square minus 1 by r whole by variance of x plus variance of y. So this is the formula in order to find the angle between two regression lines. Okay, na? So this is very important when you are going to do problems. Okay, na? So this is for today. Okay, up to here for now. Okay, so please, if anybody are seeing my video for the first time, if you like my video, my lecture, please subscribe my channel and please comment in the comment section. Start students, if you want any topic to be explained, so please tell in the comment section so that I'll make video on that topic. Okay, so please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.